Dear students, in this unit we will talk about another clade of mammals known as marsupials. Now, marsupial is a subclass of mammal which diverged from the true placental mammals or eutherian uh, more than 150 million years ago. And they are still existing in different parts of the world. Now, the unique feature of placental mammal or marsupial is uh, the production of their joeys. Mean the young ones, they are born in a premature stage, and then this early stage of the development is extended in the pouch which is present outside the belly of the mother, and the lactation period is extended to a longer time, and during that time the young ones, they are placed in that pouch or marsupium, and they just they feed on the mammary glands and the milk which is produced by the mother to nourish them until their developmental stages are complete, and they become mature enough to come out of the pouch of their mother and start an independent life. Now, the mammary gland is when we talk about the marsupial, the number of those mammary glands, they varies in different species of marsupials, and they are often located inside that pouch where the young one, which is prematurely born, stays in that pouch. These mammary glands, they terminate in the form of small teats, which the young one uh, drink milk from those teats until they get mature. Now, other than this unique feature, there are some other feature which makes it different from the placental mammal or eutherians. For example, the anatomy of female reproductive tract is different from that of placental mammals, and their gestation period is also very short compared to the uh, placental mammals, and the young one are born in the embryonic stage, and then they are placed in that pouch where the extended or lengthy lactation period helps them to remain in that pouch and feed on the mother's milk till they get mature. So these are one of the unique features which are present in the marsupial. In the evolutionary point of view, these marsupial are ancient and diverse mammal group, and they are inhabiting wide ranges of environment from the high alpine regions to the coastal forests and deserts. Many species of marsupial are arboreal, which means that they live on the trees, while other are both tree living as well as they live on terrestrial, mean they live on the land, while some of the species are completely terrestrial, which means they completely live on the land. While a few fossils and one existing species, which is known as water opossum, that lives in the aquatic environment. This is one of the opossum example, which is arboreal in nature, which means that it lives in the trees. Now, this is the example of a kangaroo, and you can see that the young one is also seen, which is present in the pouch of the mothers. Now, the existing marsupial species, they are restricted to the Australia and Americas, while majority of their species, approximately 333 species, they live only in Australia, New Guinea, and the nearby islands. These marsupial have been divided into seven different orders, and the example of these marsupial mammals includes kangaroo, koalas, opossum, wombats, and wallabies, etc.